Hi guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you step by step how to log into your Google account. First you're going to open Chrome. Then you're going to go to google.com. Google.com and click right on the top right corner. You can click sign in. Okay, then where it says email or phone, you're going to type in your username. I'm going to type my username right over here. Your username that you entered before when you created your account. That's the username you're going to use now. Type in name. You don't have to type in at gmail.com. Just type in the name and click enter or next. Then you're going to type in your password. Password is the password you remember for security. You want to protect your account, so you have to enter a password, so you can type it in. Okay, and then click next. Okay, right now I am signed in to my Google account. I have all the Google apps I want. I have Google Maps. There's I don't know if YouTube works. Let's see. There's YouTube, there's Drive, there's everything you need to your Google account. Thank you guys for watching. Please, if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe, share with all your friends, and share on all your social media. And if you want to let me know anything, or you want me to make another video, leave a comment in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.